Hi everyone, today's set is this blue French camo set of nails with a pom-pom. I've sped most of this video up just because I wanted it to be an easy watch for you. So I'm making French smile lines on all of the nails using the reverse method. The cover pink that I'm using is Plush from Glitterbell's core line, and I'm using my Nailed by Lucy size 12 brush, and I'm also using her C-curve tips in natural. So I'm going to finish putting my smile lines down and then I'll come back to you. Filed my smile lines off camera, and now I'm adding some transfer foil gel to the tips, and then once I've put that on all the tips I'm going to cure it for 120 seconds because I want it to be really sticky so that I get good full coverage with my foil. My foil gel's cured and now I'm adding my foil. So on this little finger I started putting it on, as you can see here. I was just kind of pressing it on randomly, but I didn't really like that. So here you can see I actually cut the shape of the smile line out, and then I'm using a lint-free wipe just to kind of help me rub the foil down, just to make sure I'm pressing it in nice and firmly, and then I'm just peeling it away and I'm getting pretty full coverage with it. There were a couple of gaps, so I have picked out a blue gel polish of mine. I think this one's on the cloud from the gel bottle, and I'm just filling in those tiny little gaps where the foil didn't quite take. And then I'll cure that in my lamp for 30 seconds. So now I'm putting on my no wipe top coat. From previous videos I will have mentioned that this is my Blue Sky no wipe top coat. I like to use this for encapsulation, or before encapsulation even, just because it's a nice thick top coat that I can buff afterwards. So I'll cure that for 60 seconds and then I'm going to come in with a little buffer just to make it matte before I encapsulate with clear acrylic. I've dusted off the nails and now I'm starting my encapsulation process. Just using clear acrylic here, and I've sped this bit up so that it's an easy watch for you. I will have filed off camera, so I'll meet you back when we start doing the embellishments. So I want a pom-pom on this ring finger, so I'm just adding the magnet with a little bead of clear acrylic because I want it to have a nice strong hold, and then I'm just popping some flat back crystals around that with my crystal resin, just so that when the pom-pom's not on, it's still a nice decoration. And then I'm just going to add some sort of crystal cuticle cuffs to the rest of the nails. I do this crystal placement quite a lot, it's one of my favourites to do. And then once I've put all these crystals down, I'm just going to seal them with no white top coat and add some caviar beads to fill in the little gaps. Now I'm just adding my matte top coat to all of the nails, and I'm going to cure them in my lamp for 60 seconds. And when they come out, I will have cleansed the nails because this top coat does have a sticky layer. But that's the finished set. I've left a clip at the end of the finished result, so let me know what you think. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye.